Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
I'm like, I really want the purple rainbow kitty or whatever. Hello Kitty. Oh, but no, not this week. This week they got orange. Next week they got yellow. You can't get the purple one for almost a month later. But you know it's coming. So your kid keeps saying, Mommy, take me to McDonald's. My point being is McDonald's is the #1 hamburger place. But guess what? Who came after McDonald's? Let's go way after Wendy's and Burger King, okay? They was kind of all up there around the same time, right? Since all those top three, so let's do our top three. We got McDonald's, Wendy's, and Burger King, right? Who's come since then? Who's come since then? So is there room for you? Yeah. Hey, can you say Steak and Shake? Can you say Shake Shack? Okay. Can you say Five Guys? Right? How about that other one? Everything's kind of $5. Oh, they sell hot dogs too. Cookout. Can you say Cookout? Can you say Rallies? Can you say Checkers? So is there room for you in your notary business? Heck yes. Okay. There's no other way to say that. You want to put another word in there? Beep. Yes. Okay. Beep. Yes. There's room for you. So what if all those other hamburger places said, you know what? McDonald's got this. We good. I'm not going to open my hamburger place because of McDonald's. Right? Okay, let's do the same thing with chicken. Okay, let's do the same thing with chicken. #1 chicken place, KFC, or used to be. Now it's Chick-fil-A. Now it's probably Chick-fil-A. But KFC, when I was growing up, finger looking freaking good. Okay? But now Chick-fil-A with the cows and everything. They even got me and Jeffrey hooked. We spend a lot of time at Chick-fil-A, y'all. I'm trying to wean myself off of that, though, because one, it's just too many chemicals for me. I've been watching that video, 500 or 600 chemicals in Chick-fil-A. So I'm like, So me and Chick-fil-A, I like Chick-fil-A because I love the customer service. You will hear me say that all day long. But let's talk about the actual people that said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and start my chicken business, even though KFC was around, right? So you got KFC was the #1 of all time. Now you got Chick-fil-A came in there, boom, kicked them out the way, right? What other chicken places do we have? Have you heard of Raising Cane? Have you heard of Raising Cane? Have you heard of Zaxby's? Okay. Have you heard of Zaxby's? How about Walmart? Publix is selling chicken. Publix chicken is very popular. Very popular. So when I'm having a big gathering or function or whatever word you want to call it, baby shower, bridal shower, wedding, whatever, anniversary. My first instinct ain't let me call KFC. I'm like, let me call Publix, where shopping is a pleasure. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Okay, so do you get my drift? Do you understand what I'm saying? Am I dropping gems that you're picking up? Are you getting it? So is there room for you in your business? Yes. What makes all these other places different from the original? They offer something different. Okay. They offer something different. You need to be different. What are you offering different when you start your notary business? Maybe it's extended hours, right? Maybe it's just plain old customer service. You speak to your clients, everybody else, like, what you want. I'm like, hello, thank you for calling None Better Notary. They want to do business with me because I make them feel like I want their business. Let's get these comments. Kim says, you popped up on my TikTok when I was looking for fingerprint information and you did the skit with your mom. I love your spirit and your enthusiasm. I've been following you ever since. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I lost my mommy in 22. So you see how old that video is, though. That's 22. This is 25. About almost 3 years. Then I lost my mother. She was in quite a few of my videos, actually. I didn't realize how many she was in until later. I went back and I was looking at another video. I was like, oh, I forgot mom was in that video. So, yeah, my mommy. Shout out to Bobby Jane. That's my ride or die always. So, yeah, that being the case. Lisa said 100. Helena says, I'm making myself familiar, but I do know that we have to have face FP. Let me see what is that. Helena, I'm making myself familiar, but I do know that we have to have FP. Can you tell me what FP is, Helena, please? Because I don't know what that is. FP. It might be something I'm just missing, but tell me what FP is. Lori says, after I joined the mentor program, I gained the confidence to get out there. There's nothing like the mentor program. Thank you so much, Lori. I appreciate it. And it will give you confidence. Lori's done the work too. It's not that she just joined mentorship and now all of a sudden she's a great notary. No, she put the work in. She comes to sessions, the weekly sessions. She asks questions. She's not afraid now to get out there. She gets stuck on an assignment. She still know we got her back. You got 3 other notaries plus Lisa is helping us this week. You got 4 people with different insights. Even though Lisa is still newer, Lisa also put in the work. She put in the work and she's respected in our group as an expert. People respect Lisa. And that's what it's all about. And Lisa, again, her, Lori, Denise, Donna's, we got 2 Donnas. I mean, our whole notary mentorship, the mentees are actually doing some amazing things. They really are. I just wish I could work with all of them on a more intimate level. And who knows, as we continue to grow, we don't know what that looks like. But Lisa has garnered the respect of her peers. And they know when she says something, she knows what she's talking about because she does the work. And it's funny because I needed a little assistance this week. And I was like, I had a couple people that were not part of the mentor program that I was just thinking about. I'm like, hey, how about I ask this person? I ask that person. And I decided, no, I've been looking at Lisa for a moment now anyway. And I think now is just the time. So she's joining us this week. And we'll just see how things go and, see if it's a fit for her. But I've really been enjoying her assisting us this week. And again, she's respected. Lori's respected. When she says something, people listen. And these are people that's actually doing the work. See, that's the other piece I want to keep emphasizing. They're not just watching something here on YouTube and it's like, now I'm an expert. No, they're doing the work. Denise, she started her own YouTube channel, Jersey Girl Stamps or something like that, if you want to follow Denise. But all that being said is they're doing the work so they can speak with authority and they're being respected, and what more can you ask? People were excited for Lisa when her just helping out this week. So, they all have progressed. They're doing amazing. Everybody's circumstances is different. And I'm proud of each and every one of them. And I'm even more proud, honestly, that they chose notary educators, that we are recognized in the industry. We may not get the big kudos from some of the other people out there that I wouldn't mind if certain people recognize us, but I'm not out there begging for it either. So I do what I do. I help the people. I walk in silence. A lot of times I got a couple of people in the mentorship program doing that. And I'm like, girl, tell us what you're doing so we can celebrate you. But I do that myself a lot of times. I'm not a big braggadocious person. I'm not flashing how much I make. I'm not flashing how much my mentees make. We're just not going to do that. We just won't. So does that mean we move a little bit slower? We grow our personal business. Notary educators are none better. Just like I tell you guys, like a slow cooked meal on Sunday. We take our time. We're not in a hurry. Are there certain things that I would love to just blow up overnight? Yeah. But that's just not a reality. And sometimes I'm just not going to do what other people are doing to make that happen. And that's just facts. So I get to run my business the way I want to. You get to run your business how you want to, you know.